Ibinahagi ni Philippine Ambassador to the Holy See, Myla Makahilig, ang kanyang personal na karanasan kasama si Pope Francis.
The most memorable will be the time that I presented my credentials to him as the Philippine Ambassador to the Holy See. And this was in November of 2021. That encounter in 2021 was a happy occasion for me personally. It's my first assignment as an ambassador. I had my family with me, and si Pope Francis was very kind and very generous in his time when we were presented to him.
Dagdag ni Makahilig, naramdaman niya ang pagiging lolo kiko ni Pope Francis, pati ang kanyang malasakit sa tao. Pagdarasal at kabaitan daw ang madalas na lumalabas noon sa bibig ng Santo Papa. Hiniling pangaraw sa kanya ni Pope Francis na maisama siya sa dasal. Sinusulit din daw ng Santo Papa ang bawat panahon na makakasalamuhan niya ang bawat tao kahit na saglit lang.